I still remember the first time my investment account paid me over $1,000 in 1 month. I wasn't on a beach. I wasn't financially free. I was sitting at work, eating a boring lunch, and my phone buzzed, and I just stared. Not because it was life-changing money, but because for the first time, money showed up without me trading hours for it. That moment does something to your brain. Because most people chase the wrong number. They chase net worth. 2 million, 5 million, 10 million, cool. But here's the truth. You can't eat net worth. You can't pay rent with unrealized gains. You can't buy groceries with a portfolio screenshot. What changes your life is cash flow. Real money hitting your account on a schedule. And there are 3 passive income milestones that change everything. Milestone 1, $1,000 per month. Validation. This is the proof of concept milestone. It's not retirement money, but it proves the machine works. If you try to do it the slow, traditional way, just stocks and the safe 4% rule, you'd need around $300,000 invested to get $1,000 a month. That's why this milestone feels impossible at first. So most people need a second path, income streams that take work upfront then keep paying, a YouTube channel, a digital product, a rental, a skill you turn into a retainer. Call it active passive, whatever. The point is, you build it once, and it doesn't die when you clock out. And if you reinvest that first $1,000 instead of spending it, momentum starts. Milestone 2, $3,500 per month, survival. This is where fear starts to disappear. Because $3,500 a month can cover the big 3, housing, food, transport. And when those are handled, your boss loses power over you. You're not rich. But you're not trapped. You can walk away from toxic workplaces. You can negotiate harder. You can take smarter risks. This milestone doesn't buy luxury, it buys safety. And safety changes how you think. Milestone 3, $8,300 per month, abundance. This is $100,000 a year passively. This is where time and money truly separate. You can live well without touching the core of your investments. But here's the key. The biggest gap isn't between $3,500 and $8,300. The biggest gap is between $0 and $1,000 because that first milestone proves the whole thing is real, and once it's real, you stop dreaming and start building. So here's the question. Which milestone are you chasing right now? Validation, survival, or abundance? Drop it in the comments. And if you like videos that break money down into real-life logic, no fluff, subscribe to the Financial Sketchpad. I'll see you in the next one.